How to set up personal hotspot on Lyca Mobile iPhone. And in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to get started and set up your very first personal hotspot using the Lyca Mobile network. So first is of course access your iPhone settings. And then from here, all you have to do is go into cellular. And this is where you'll have to set up everything first before you can turn on personal hotspot. Now, go into network selection, and from here, make sure that Lyca Mobile is selected as one of your network carrier. Now, under cellular data network, make sure that under cellular data and personal hotspot APN is set into internet. Now, let's go ahead and turn on cellular data so we can turn our personal hotspot on. This is where you can tick the small box right here to allow others to join, and this is where you could actually set up your Wi-Fi password. And that's pretty much it. That's how you set up personal hotspot on Lyca mobile iPhone.